If you've ever wondered as an entrepreneur why you need to be a part of the Association of African Startups, brace up. In 2021, we embarked on one of the most audacious goals you can ever imagine. We decided to raise a breed of entrepreneurs whose businesses can become the vehicle upon which we really rebuild the African economy. I'm talking about African entrepreneurs who today may be startups. In the next 5 to 10 years, they will become the next blue chip companies that you look up to. Yes. We did this by starting with mindset re-engineering. We took them back to the basics, to know where their heart is at, their mind is at, to truly help them expand at that level so that they too can begin to dream big. They too can begin to think about the concept of scale beyond what they ordinarily would have thought about. We did this for the first 1 year, second year, third year. We also embarked on teaching them business acumen, everything you need to grow a business both digitally and physically. We didn't stop that. We took them through the rudiments of artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and everything you can think about as far as growing a tech-enabled business is concerned. We didn't stop there. We took them through 12 key sectors where African entrepreneurs in any industry can grow their business. We touched cosmetics, we touched fashion, we touched tech, we touched health. We touched as many industries, especially 12 key ones. If you fall within those 12 key industries, you need to go and learn how to grow your business there. We brought experts that are specifically focused on those industries to share with you trade secrets that would help you grow. All of this we have done in the last 3 years. We are doing something fantastic in 2024. That is why you must rush now to the link in bio to join us. We are going to be truly bridging the gap between wealth distribution in Africa. In 2024, we are bringing to the table what you have not seen as an entrepreneur. We'll show you why capitalism thrives and how you and I are the ones who pay. Meaning, we'll bring you to bodies of wisdom and knowledge that will help you become a part of the people distributing wealth within every ecosystem where you find yourself. I beg to say that the things we're going to teach you in 2024, honestly, you will hardly be able to find it anywhere. So, if you're an entrepreneur and you started your business within 1 year and 10 years, rush quickly to the link in our bio to join us as an entrepreneur. While you are at it, make sure to check all the different courses we have done that you have missed so that you too can have the foundation we have built so far, and then you can grow with us to become the next big business in Africa. Don't worry, we are not a microwave association. We don't believe that in the next 30 days, 40 days, you are blown. We don't do that. We take you through everything you need to know so that we can build you gradually to become the person who will stand the test of time when you enter into the spaces which you must enter into. So, click the link in our bio right now to join us as a member of the Association of African Startups. Share this link with your friends in North Africa, South Africa, Eastern Africa, Western Africa, Central Africa, and even in the diaspora, because all of us are responsible for building the Africa of our dreams. And it starts with your business. Be responsible for that business today and join us. We can't wait.